Hello my dear students, today we are going to learn about group 15 hydrates. All the elements of group 15 form hydrates of the type EH3 where E can be nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony or bismuth. For example, nitrogen combines with hydrogen and to form ammonia. Phosphorus combines with hydrogen and to form phosphine. Arsenic combines with hydrogen and to form arsine. Antimony combines with hydrogen and to form stibine. Bismuth combines with hydrogen and to form bismuthine. Here, phosphine, arsine and stibine are poisonous gases. Bismuthine is unstable and decomposes to give bismuth metal and hydrogen well below 0 degrees Celsius. The next, the stability of group 15 hydrates. The stability of group 15 hydrates decreases from ammonia to bismuthine. This is because the central atom E increases in size down the group. With the increase in the size of the central atom, the EH bond becomes weaker. With the increase in size, the overlapping between the orbitals of E and hydrogen will not be effective. This accounts for the decrease in the stability of hydrates as we move down the group. The table shows that on moving down the group, atomic radius of the element increases, the stability of the group 15 hydrate decreases because the bond dissociation enthalpy decreases. That is, the strength of the EH bond in hydrates decreases down the group due to increase in the size of the atom. That is, the bond strength of the NH bond is maximum and the least strength bond is bismuth hydrogen bond. The next topic is reducing character of group 15 hydrates. The hydrates of group 15 elements are strong reducing agents. The reducing character of hydrates increases from ammonia to bismuthine due to a decrease in the strength of the EH bond down the group. Bismuthine is the strongest reducing agent among all the hydrates of group 15 elements. Next topic is basic nature of group 15 hydrates. These hydrates are basic in nature. They act as Lewis bases due to the availability of a lone pair of electrons on the central atom. The basic character decreases down the group with an increase in the size of the central atom. We know nitrogen atom has the smallest size among the hydrates. Therefore, the lone pair is concentrated on a small region and electron density on it is the maximum. Consequently, its electron releasing tendency is maximum. As the size of the central atom increases down the family, the electron density also decreases. As a result, the electron donating capacity or the basic strength decreases down the group. As you move down the column from nitrogen to bismuth, you are placing your outermost shell of electrons, including the lone pair, in a larger and more diffuse orbital. In the case of nitrogen, the nitrogen lone pair is contained in the n is equal to 2 shell, while the bismuth lone pair, it is in the n is equal to 6 shell. As the electron density of the lone pair is spread over a greater volume and is consequently more diffuse, the lone pair of electrons become less nucleophilic, that is less basic. The boiling point of hydrates decreases from ammonia to phosphine and then increases from phosphine to bismuthine. As we go down the group, atomic size of central atom increases, due to which van der Waals interaction increases, which results in increases of boiling point. However, ammonia has highest boiling point because of intermolecular hydrogen bonding. All these hydrates are covalent in nature and have pyramidal structure. This involves sp3 hybridization of the central atom and one of the tetrahedral position is occupied by a lone pair. Due to the presence of lone pair, the bond angle in ammonia is less than the normal tetrahedral angle. It has been found to be 107 degree. On moving down the group, the bond angles gradually decrease due to a decrease in bond pair repulsion. Because electronegativity of element decreases from nitrogen to bismuth, the bond pair lay farther away from the central atom and the lone pair causes greater distortion of bond angle. Thus, HPH bond in PH3 is 93.3 degree, while in arsine, stibine and bismuthine, it is about 92.1 degree, 91.6 and 90.4 degree respectively. Trends in some properties of hydrates of group 15 are shown here. The melting point increases in the order phosphine, arsine, stibine, ammonia. Boiling point increases in the order phosphine, arsine, ammonia, stibine. Bond length increases in the order NH3, PH3, arsine, stibine. Bond energy decreases in the order ammonia, phosphine, stibine, arsine. Bond angle decreases in the order ammonia, phosphine, arsine, stibine. Today we have discussed group 15 hydrates structure, bond angle, reducing property, boiling point and basic strength. In the next part, we will discuss about the oxides of group 15 elements. Thank you.